prove that your method works with at least 95% of probability. Significance test allows to do it. Such an approach can cause a lot of problems. For example, the owner of the gambling institution can use the test of significance to check the players and kick out all the players who are dishonest with a probability of not less than 95% of his institution. On the one hand, it can reduce a number of players who break the rules. But on the other hand, some honest lucky players will be kicked out too, while some cheaters are staying in this place. We have the same situation in science. Scientists can make an abstract hypothesis, but it can be proved. But person who made really valuable project will stay unrecognized just because he is unlucky. Moreover, even if your project fails the test of significance, you can repeat your experiment as many times as it is necessary to pass the significance test. People say that every joke has some part of truth. Next example proves it and shows how people can use significance tests to prove anything. Jelly beans is are candies. Acne is a kind of skin disease. Somebody has heard that jelly beans cause acne. You can see that scientists can have another very important task, but they checked it. So, significance test didn't show that jelly beans cause acne. But it isn't interesting news. People like sensations. So somebody created another hypothesis that only jelly beans of certain color cause acne. So they checked jelly beans of 20 different colors. In 19 cases of 20, significance test didn't show that jelly beans cause acne. But in the one case of 20, significance test showed that green jelly beans cause acne. It seems that scientists made a real discovery, but at the average, even when your hypothesis is totally absurd, in the one case of 20, the significance test will show that this hypothesis is true. But who cares about it? On the next day, people will read such an article on the first page of all newspapers. Green jelly beans be linked to acne. Only 5% chance of coincidence. Maybe somebody of you thinks that I have a better idea of checking hypothesis. Of course I have. No idea. Come on, it would be funny. The best scientists from all over the world don't know how to fix such problem, but young mathematician from Zhytomyr knows. So the aim of my presentation is just to pay attention to such problem and show you that some proof hypotheses can be wrong. So you should be very careful when you read scientific articles or even dissertations. Thank you for proving my hypothesis about X, and of course for your attention. Question, no?
Any crazy hypothesis?
Any crazy hypothesis?
Okay, thank you very much for your very interesting